Hi everyone, I'm Donna, and today I'm going to show you how to get these little kinks out of your wire. And sometimes, when you pull it off the spool, you'll have little kinks like this, and just running it through your fingers doesn't always straighten it out. It'll get a little bit, but it doesn't get it completely. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this. Now for the first way, we're going to need 2 bench blocks. Metal will work better, but if you don't have 2 metal bench blocks, you can use nylon bench blocks as well. So just get it as straight as you can with your fingers first. Then put it on your bench block. Put the second bench block on top of it and roll it. You'll have to add a little bit of pressure here. And just do that a few times, and it gets it a lot straighter. Let's do the other side of this wire. And there you go. It's not perfectly straight. Metal does work much better, but this will get it mostly straight for you. And if you use a metal bench block, it'll also harden it quite a bit too. Now the other way is to use a pin vise. What you do for that, first you just put your wire into the smallest, well, whatever size will fit, into the opening there. Because most pin vises have, well, let me take this side out to show you. They have these little things, and they have different size openings for different bits, or in this case, wire. So just go ahead and put it in 1/4 inch or so should be enough. And you want it tight enough to hold the wire, but not so tight that it breaks the wire. And you need your flat nose pliers for this. First, just put a small bend just so the pliers can grip a little bit better. Normally I would do this on my knee or on my leg, but that's not really going to work for the camera angle here. So I've got a piece of foam on top of the table. You're just gonna put your hand on top of it and roll it while you're holding the other end with the pliers. Now this will definitely harden the wire for you as well, but if you have a torch you can anneal it afterwards if you need soft wire. And sometimes I actually do this even if I don't have kinks in the wire. If I need something, if I'm making like earrings or something that needs harder wire for it. And you just keep rolling until it's all completely straight. And actually this looks pretty straight. But I'm going to go a couple more anyway because I do need this hardened for some ear wires. And another thing, if you have square wire and you want that twisted look like I have, well, let me see if I can grab this out of here. If you want it twisted like that, then this is the same technique for that. Okay, but now you have almost perfectly straight wire here.